Hi everyone, my name is Lena Nguyen. I'm a family law attorney. Today I'm going to talk about whether or not you need a prenuptial agreement. More and more couples are opting for prenuptial agreements for a good reason. A prenuptial agreement is a contract that is signed by the couples before they enter into a marriage. It addresses property and financial rights of each party in the event of a divorce. Whether or not someone should enter into a prenuptial agreement is a personal decision, and for every couple it's different. Here are 4 situations where a prenuptial agreement might make sense. Number 1, if there is a disparity in income and wealth. Sometimes a prenup is necessary for asset protection purposes when one spouse in the marriage is significantly wealthier. Property division is one of the most expensive aspects of divorce litigation. A prenup will allow both partners to reasonably agree to property division and alimony while they are still on good terms. Number 2, if one of you owns a business. Prenuptial agreements can be used to safeguard your business, especially if you established your business prior to the marriage. It can ensure that your practice or business is not divided and subject to the control of your former spouse upon divorce. For instance, in January 2019, Jeff Bezos, who is the founder, chairman, CEO, and president of Amazon, and his wife Mackenzie Bezos were seeking a divorce. An area of major concern was the future of Amazon. Because there was no prenuptial agreement in place, and this wasn't an option since they were married before Amazon was founded, Jeff Bezos could have lost voting control of his $143 billion stake in Amazon. Number 3, if you have children from a previous marriage. Prenups are helpful for couples who come into the marriage with children. You may have certain assets you want to make sure your children will get in the event of your death or divorce. A prenup will make your future spouse aware of what your assets are, what your kids will receive, and the financial situation going into the marriage. Number 4, if one of you has significant debt. Marriage means a combining of financial interests. This means creditors can seize your property for unpaid debt, even if it belongs to your spouse. For example, if your future spouse enters into the marriage with credit card debt and fails to pay, creditors might take money out of your joint bank account to satisfy the debt. A prenup will allow you to specify whose property will be used to pay off certain debts. If you or your spouse answers yes to one or more of the following questions, you should consider entering into a prenuptial agreement. Do you own real estate? Do you have children from a prior relationship? Do you own any part of a business? Do you have greater than $50,000 in assets, including but not limited to retirement accounts, stocks, bonds, or employment benefits? Do you have an income greater than $100,000? Do you have significant debts and outstanding loans?
Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you live in Texas and would like a free self-help divorce kit, please check the description box below to sign up.